Hi everyone, Adam here. Today I'm reviewing Brinks Home, a security company offered through Monitronics International. Before we get into everything, if you're interested in what I would consider a better alternative, make sure you check out the link in the first comment below this video and also in the description. I'll mention it again later, so don't miss it. Their setups are meant to safeguard your assets, but they also take life safety very seriously, which is a big deal for homeowners and business owners who want full peace of mind. Their systems typically include the core essentials like sensors, professional monitoring, and the ability to scale your setup depending on the size of your home or business. And the nice thing about a structure like this is that you're not buying a cheap, bare-bones setup. Brinks Home uses professional-grade equipment, the kind of gear that you can rely on day after day. And usually, when you're getting equipment at that level, long-term plans come with real advantages. For a lot of people, those longer commitments lead to substantial upfront savings, which makes it easier to get a complete system right away instead of trying to piece things together over time. Their monitoring service is another standout feature. When something happens, whether it's a break-in, glass breaking, or a life safety issue, the system is designed to get attention fast. That quick response is a huge part of what makes a professionally monitored solution feel different from a basic DIY setup. You get that added confidence that someone is always keeping an eye on things in the background. Brinks Home also makes their systems customizable, which is great if you have specific needs or you're setting this up in a larger space. Businesses especially tend to appreciate this because it lets them tailor their protection to cover employees, inventory, equipment, and entry points in a way that actually fits their layout. And everything is managed through their control panel and mobile app, which gives you easy access to arm or disarm the system, check alerts, and stay aware of what's happening whether you're on-site or away. Now, if you want to compare Brinks Home to what I think is an even better option, make sure you check out the link in the first comment and in the description. If you're seriously considering a security system, that link will take you to an alternative I highly recommend exploring before you make a final decision. Overall, Brinks Home is a solid choice for anyone who wants reliable protection, professional-grade equipment, and a system that focuses not just on security, but also on life safety. Whether it's for your home or your business, it's built to give you the reassurance that everything, and everyone, is protected. And again, before you go, don't forget to check out the better alternative linked in the first comment and in the description. That's where you'll find the option I recommend you compare against Brinks Home before choosing your system. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.